We are going over and 7 match quadratic function and drafts. Okay, so take a look over here. Um, we have two quadratic function. So take a look at the a value. So one open up, one open down. So over here, the first quadratic function right there, the a happened to be number 1. So this wrap had to be open up. That's it. So, and I go and I drag it to straightforward. That's it. And the leftover should be right there. But the leftover from here, the a value happened to be -1. So it had to be open down. Okay, so straightforward. Submit. All right, next question, same thing. You got two wrap, one open up, one open down. So we just go over the a value and take a look over here. The a value right there happened to be -1. -1. So this one had to be open down. Okay, so I can drag this to open down parabola. Okay, and you can see the other one, the a value right there happened to be number 1. So this one positive a had to be open up. Okay, so I can drag it to the other one. Here we go. Done. Submit. All right, so let's do the next level. Let's do the next level over here. So you got two equations. Okay, they both open down. Okay, so now you have to investigate further. So I can take a look at the x-intercept. So you can see these two functions right here. So first they give the front part, they give you the standard form, but in the back they give you the factor form. So from the vector form, you can see the x-intercept. All right. So let's rewrite the factor form. Let's write the factor form so you can see. If you have the factor form, y equal a x subtract x1 and then x subtract x2. So the two x-intercept, the x-intercept had to be at x1 and x2. Okay, so when you get the equation, when you take the x1 x2, make sure you take the opposite. Okay, so here we go. So we can see right here the x1 happened to be -7. Okay, and from there you can see the x2 happened to be -5. All right, right there, right here, you can see this one is -7. You see that right there, and this is -5 right there. Okay, so I can see this graph matching with this. Okay, and then the other one, you can do the same thing. You can see the same thing right here. This one you see x does not subtract anything, so the x1 happen to be 0. Okay, right there, 0 right there. Okay, so right there, that's a 0. And the other one right there, the x2 happen to be -1. You take opposite. Okay, so you can see right there, -1. Okay, so matchy. All right, we submit, so we correct. You should be correct. Here we go. So now you got again, you got two graph. They both open up. So you can see this time they give you the vertex form. Okay, so let's rewrite the vertex form so you can see. Rewrite the vertex form. Okay, y equal a x subtract h square and then plus k. All right. So you can see here the h right there. Make sure you take opposite. Happen to be 0. I'm sorry. Happen to be +8. All right. And you see nothing outside, so the k had to be 0. Okay. So the vertex had to be at 8 and then 0. Okay, 8 and then 0 right there. You see that? It had to go to this wrap right there. So I just wrap the first one, yeah, go to right there. And of course, the second one, this is the parent of quadratic. It's over here. All right. So I submit. I should be correct. All right. So I do a couple more advanced. Okay, you got four function. Go with 4 ref. Okay. So your choice. So I can go whatever order I want, but you can see the first function right there. You can see this is the factor form. So you can see the 2 x-intercept had to be at -1 and then +3. +3. And this graph is open down. You see that? This is negative. It's open down. So a equal -1. So it's open down. So I go and I find the graph has opened down and the x-intercept at -1 and then 3. Bingo, it's matching with this. Okay, so I drag it right there. All right, done. Okay. On the second one, so let's clear them out for a second. The second, it gives you in a vertex form. This is a vertex form. Okay. So you can see the vertex right away. The age happen to be, you don't see x subtract anything, so the age happens to be 0. This is the k, you take what it is, so that should be -3. Okay? And this graph again had to be open down because of the negative sign. Okay? So open down. Okay? So let's go and find the graph open down and the vertex at 0, -3. It had to be this one. Okay? So I'm going to drag this, subtract x, subtract 3, subtract x squared, subtract 3. It has to go up there. Okay. And now you can do the next one. The next one happen to be vertex form. Okay. You can see the vertex at h and k. All right. So the h, make sure you take opposite. All right. So +6. Nothing outside, so the k is 0. All right. And this graph had to be open down. You see the subtract 2 right there? Open down. Okay? So let's go and find that graph. Here we go. Open down the vertex at 6, 0 right there. Okay? So this is the one. This is the one right there. This is the one. Okay? So let's go and drag it in. Here we go. Subtract 2. X subtract 6 squared. Alright, so this is the one. Alright, drag it in, and by default, the last one, go with the last one. Okay, so we should be correct. But if you want to double check, this is the only graph that's open up because the A happened to be positive, so it should be correct. Alright, submit. Voila. Voila. Okay, here we go. Let's do one more. Let's do one more and then we're done with this. Okay, so the first function right here, they give it you in factor form. So you can see the 2 x-intercept. Okay, had to be at x equal 2 and x equal 4. Okay, make sure you take opposite. Okay, so and this had to be open up because this is number 1a right there. It's open up. Okay. So go and find the open up graph with x-intercept at 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is right there. See, this is 2, this is 4. Okay, so here we go. So this is the graph. So let's drag the equation. All right, right there. Here we go. Done. Okay. So now go to the next one. They also give you the factor form. Okay. So you can see the x-intercept, 2 x-intercept had to be at x equal 2 and x equal 4. Okay, but your graph had to be open down because of the negative one right there. Okay, so open down. Okay, so let's go and find that graph. Here we go. Open down right there. Here we go. X-intercept at 2 and 4. Okay, right there. So I'm going to drag that right there. Here we go. Here we go. Done. Okay. The next one, they give you the vertex form. Okay. This is the vertex form. Okay. So you can see the vertex as negative 7, and then 0. So we match that equation. So now let's do one more. So this is vertex form, okay? So you can see the vertex at negative 7 and then 0. And then it's open up. You see? The A equal number 1 right there. So it's also open up. So let's go and find this graph. Here we go. Okay, open up right there. Negative 7, 0 right there. Negative 7, 0. And this is open up. Okay, so let match the graph. The graph. So that should be this one. Okay, so here we go. That's it. And the last one by default is go. But let's investigate the last one. Okay, the last one is, you can see the vertex. Okay, the vertex happen to be 1 and then 0. Make sure you take opposite. Okay, and it's negative 2 for the A, so it should be open down. Open down. Okay, here we go. Open down right there. Open down. So 1, 0, that is a vertex right there, open down. So it had to match with that. Okay, let's drag it down. Okay, here we go. So submit, we should be correct. All right. I want to do, let's go back to the low level so you can see the x-intercept. Okay, so here we go. Okay, that's fine, that's cool. So the first equation right here, this is, you can look at this as the general form. Okay, general form. So general form is y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so from the general form, you always see the y-intercept at 0, c. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the c equal 2, all right? The c right there equal 2. So the y-intercept had to be at 0, 2. Okay, so here we go. 0, 2 is right there. Okay, so I can match this with this. All right. And the other one, they give you the vertex form. Okay, so this is the vertex form. So you can see the vertex at, make sure you take opposite, so negative 4, and then nothing outside, so that's 0. So it's go right here. You see that? Negative 4, 0. Okay, so we can match these two together, submit, and then we are correct. All right, so let's do one more. So the first equation, again, this is a general form. So you can see the c right there. It happened to be negative 2. So the y-intercept had to be at 0, negative 2. Okay? So take a look over here. 0, negative 2 is right there. You see that? So the first graph had to match with that. So let's go and drag them right there. Here we go. And the other one, they give you the vertex form. All right? They give you the vertex form. So you can see the vertex form happen to be 9, 0. Make sure you take opposite. Negative 9, so you take 9. Okay? 9, 0 is right there. Matching over here. Okay? So I drag it together and then submit. I'm done. All right? Thank you so much.